welcome back on top of the night show. We get Lolo One for Inside Studio. Lolo One, they discuss about the show will happen on Sunday. Ogam Madam live on stage, part 4. Now be this one. If you look for Lolo Chess to see him, you might be seeing another thing. So therefore, just hear it from my mouth. If you see Chess, they look hard. Another thing, now you go, they look. You did your back.
You did. Oh, they sure that.
This thing with your body. You know
they do. Now you start this badness for me today.
What I do?
The car highway they take look me from outside when we reach inside.
Which kind of eye take look you?
Like this.
Not my normal eye, be that.
Which kind of normal eye?
You okay? You want? What you tell me? What you want? I know you want something. Tell me what you want.
And that your new phone.
Anyway, we're going to take 2 or 3 calls today for give out the ticket, and then hello from Lagos. Good evening.
Hello.
My sister, how is you?
Good. Nedu.
Huh?
Nedu, good evening.
Good evening. Calm down. Calm down. Good evening.
Yeah, it's not time to calm down. I'm excited. They're talking with you for the first time.
Oh, you're excited. Oh, don't calm down. Good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you?
I am very well. Let us talk to Madam Lolo.
She didn't hear you.
The Lolicious Lolo. My super baby Lolo.
Hey.
Lolo, guess what?
Waiting, baby.
I am the woman that met you on Sunday at your baby's school visiting day.
Hey, see exposure.
So how are you?
Ade Kankwe.
You're looking super.
Thank you, Mama.
You're looking good.
Hey,
yes,
this woman when they touch, she 5 pieces. So if you see packaging,
she don't marry.
She don't marry, but picking come out your eye.
Lolo, stop,
Hey! Hey! So, you don't like say she dey tell me say you don't marry?
Nedu, stop.
Madam, so you don't like say she dey tell me say you don't marry?
No, you don't know. She feel not marry. I no see ring. She just package.
So, wait, Ezra, you don't marry?
Dear Nedu,
answer my question now.
None of us will get our manual, so leave that word.
Exactly.
Are you married?
Nedu,
leave the manual matter.
My sister, I know what is in your mind.
Come out your mouth for them. My husband there around, though, but come out your mouth.
Your husband dey there with you?
Yes, now.
Give him phone.
Nedu, I go slap you if I get you.
I go hold her down while you beat her.
Don't be say you get mouth. Me, I get mouth.
You go slap me? Where you go slap me?
Nedu, this is your parole. Get a CBO.
Chiama, how far now?
I did, bro. How level be?
We did. I'm saying they come Lolo show on Sunday.
Why not? We go London now, like last week.
When we go see you on Sunday, I don't know you with me.
I'm with you too far.
I'm gonna thank you. Good night.
Man, your news is one in town.
Hey, thank you, Agavi. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Want a good night. Oh, hello.
Hello, Nedu.
Emeka, how is you?
How are you? I'm fine.
You want to talk to Lola? I know say you want to talk to Lola.
You
hear your voice.
You na old face now.
You want to talk to her?
Lola, you know that in the morning, I try to call in the morning. I get.
They give me small days off. Make I take arrange for the show where we.
Okay.
So I know we'll come back to like maybe Tuesday or Wednesday.
You know what thing they happy me for that this show? Me, I'm a November picking. I was born on November picking.
Oh, nice. So now your month now they draw.
Yeah, yes.
Oh.
So I will be there. See, I'm not there for answering call and answering questions.
Those are my
so we
guys.
Go buy tickets. And ask you the other day for your morning show. Where we go buy tickets for.
You go fit buy for the venue.
For we do two.
You fit buy for the venue if you not get. If Sweet Sensation they through go buy for them.
Me, I know they like the Russian hour.
Then go online www.ariaticket.com.
Okay.
All right. Emeka, thank you.
We love you so much.
Emeka, thank you very much. Now, Lolo, for those who want to buy tickets, how much be tickets and where they go get the tickets?
5K for regular, 20K for VIP, and 500K for table of 8. And if you buy ticket for www.ariaticket.com, and if you buy them for Sweet Sensation outlets, if you buy them for Freedom Park, for Freedom Mall for Festac, Delta Port for inside the Lekki, and the Hub for inside the Palms.
Now, which artists for comedy and for music? For comedy, which artists go perform?
Ali Baba go day, Yo go day, Acapella go day, CY go day, Bash go day, there plenty of MC Chaka.
All the comedians where you know, Funny Bone, all of them where they see
all the comedians where they Naija.
Apart from Pasuma be?
Yes, but so good day. We get Mavin's crew, we get Dr. Seed, we get Ricardo Banks, we get Korede Bello, Cynthia Morgan, Yemi Alade.
Hi, Cynthia Morgan! Hi!
Waiting.
Continue.
Yemi Alade go day.
Yemi Alade like this.
Chidema go day. I just a bad chap. Bodge go day, Pepe Nazi go day, and so many other artists.
Okay.
And you know, some surprises.
Okay, for those of you that we don't know, Lolo can shake anything. So you wake up from Abuja, all those men wear the salivate now, you wear like Lolo chew. All of them, Lolo, baby, play that song with Lolo like. What's that song we like? Play that Whiskey song. Play that Whiskey song.
So you did say I go dance.
Anyway, double challenge all of them, we don't call us. For those of them when they say win, make una come tomorrow. And now 2 people I don't give. The other guy we call, we talk say the show they start from 10 to 3 o'clock. Make you come office tomorrow. And then on top Twitter, at James Amo, James Amo, may you come our office tomorrow or Friday, come collect a ticket. And then Ritzy Berry, you to make you come office, come collect a ticket. And then the last person go collect ticket, let me see. Coyote Green at Green Coyote, and may you come tomorrow, go collect ticket. Double 20 is all of them. We send tweet messages and those way call. Thank you very much. Now till tomorrow, easy beat, Lolongwa. Show us. Just so you know say stop, wait. You know say you go dance ballet. But for those way, give them visual of what they'll see. Give us.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.